Hello everyone, please download all the premium WordPress themes, plugins, and template kits from the link in the description, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get the latest products every day for free. WordPress is a popular content management system that powers over 40% of websites on the internet. One of the reasons for its success is its flexibility and extensibility, which is achieved through the use of themes, plugins, add-ons, and template kits. In this article, we'll take a closer look at each of these components and how they can enhance your WordPress website. WordPress themes. A theme is a collection of files that control the appearance and functionality of a WordPress website. It determines how the site looks and behaves, including its layout, color scheme, typography, and navigation. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes that cater to different niches and industries, so you can find one that suits your needs. When choosing a WordPress theme, it's important to consider its features, customization options, compatibility with plugins, and support from the developer. Some popular WordPress themes include Astra, Divi, Avada, and GeneratePress. WordPress plugins. A plugin is a piece of software that adds specific functionality to a WordPress website. Plugins can be used to extend the core functionality of WordPress or add new features, such as contact forms, social sharing buttons, search engine optimization, e-commerce, security, and more. WordPress offers over 58,000 free plugins in its official repository, and many premium plugins are available on third-party marketplaces. When choosing a WordPress plugin, it's important to consider its purpose, reliability, compatibility with your theme and other plugins, user ratings and reviews, and support from the developer. Some popular WordPress plugins include Yoast SEO, Contact Form 7, WooCommerce, Jetpack, and WP Forms. WordPress add-ons. An add-in is a type of plugin that enhances the functionality of a specific plugin or theme. Add-ons are usually developed by third-party developers and can be used to add extra features or integrations to your website. For example, an add-in for a form builder plugin may add new fields or payment gateways, while an add-in for a membership plugin may add new user roles or access levels. When choosing a WordPress add-in, it's important to ensure that it's compatible with the plugin or theme that you're using, and that it offers the features that you need. Some popular WordPress add-ons include Gravity Forms add-ons, MemberPress add-ons, and WooCommerce add-ons. WordPress template kits. A template kit is a collection of pre-designed page templates that can be imported into a WordPress website using a page builder plugin. Template kits can be used to speed up the website design process and ensure consistency in the visual design of your website. They usually include templates for the homepage, about page, contact page, blog page, and more, and can be customized to fit your brand and content. When choosing a WordPress template kit, it's important to ensure that it's compatible with your Page Builder plugin and that it offers the templates that you need. Some popular WordPress template kits include Envato Elements, Template Monster, and Creative Market. Conclusion. WordPress themes, plugins, add-ons, and template kits are essential tools for building a WordPress website that meets your needs and goals. By choosing the right components and customizing them to fit your brand and content, you can create a unique and engaging online presence that attracts and retains your audience.